Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today it's 4 degrees outside, so it's time for a pantry raid. Yes, we're going to make a sausage stew. Alright, let's get on with it. So basically I've just gone through the freezer, refrigerator, the pantry, a little bit of oil into a pot, a couple of onions finely diced, about 3 carrots roughly chopped, straight into our pot, just like that, and just making up a stew with whatever you've got sitting around is awesome. There's a celery stick, giving that a little bit of a dice up, that can go in as well. And the next thing I'm going to add in is about 4 or 5 potatoes. There's no rules to this. I'm just giving you the idea, and you can play with it the way you want to. But I am using a really interesting new product. Alright, and it's a good taste test. Alright, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Just put that in just like that. Right, really simple. Now, this new product I've got is a bit of mushroom stock. So I've just rinsed that can out with a bit of mushroom stock. Going to add the rest of that 1 litre mushroom stock straight into our mixture, just like that. Not browning anything off or doing anything like that. I'm going to put the lid on and let it come up to heat. Some black pepper, freshly ground, and I'm giving that a really good dose full. Probably nearly a teaspoon's worth of freshly ground black pepper. I'm also going to add in a litre of vegetable stock. Why? Because it was in the pantry and we're doing a pantry raid, so that can go straight in. Now I'm just going to test for saltiness and flavours at the moment while it's coming up to a little bit of heat. I need a bit more flavour, so I'm going to add in close to a tablespoon's worth of Dijon mustard. That's going in as well, and around about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of Worcestershire sauce. And I've got a little bit of leftover mushroom gravy from the night before. I just had some mushrooms, made a little quick gravy with a bit of flour and a bit of chicken stock, and I had that left over. I'm just going to throw that straight in as well. Okay, you don't have to do this, there's no rules, as I said. So we've got this coming up to a real nice simmer now. Here I've got around about 800 grams worth of beef sausages, and I've skinned and just given those a rough chop, nice little chunks. That can go straight in. Give that a quick stir around to make sure nothing is sticking together. Alright, and the smell already in the kitchen is amazing. I'm going to put in around about a cup and a half's worth of frozen peas. It's going to reduce our temperature, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of time. Those peas will defrost and everything will come back up. Gave it another quick taste. Didn't like the lack of garlicness, so about tablespoons worth of garlic powder can go straight in just like that. Give that a little bit of a stir. As you can see, we've got a nice little bit of steamage happening. I'm going to add in a few dried herbs. Use the herbs of your choice. That was just a herb blend mix that I had in the pantry. And now I'm going to make up my dumplings. So I'm going to add about that much flour, and I'm going to add about that much water. There's no rules to dumplings. Right? What we want to do now is just that self-raising flour and that water. We're going to make up a mixture which is like a thick glue consistency, almost like a wallpaper paste. Alright, I know it doesn't sound the best, but look, it's the best way I can describe it to you. So give that all a little bit of a mix and let it sit for a few minutes, and you'll see some little bubbles coming out of that as it comes up to time. Now all I'm simply going to do is get a teaspoon and just drop little dollops straight on top of our stew mix. And I do this around about half an hour to 40 minutes before I'm ready to eat. Now all our vegetables are cooked through, all our sausages cooked through, we know everything is ready to go. We're just going to add this little dough mixture straight in just like that. Okay, really simple. And I'm going to put the lid back on, but I'm going to crack it open a little bit. I'll let that simmer away 30-40 minutes, or until our dumplings go nice and fluffy and we're ready to serve up. How easy was that? Those dumplings will also help thicken up our stew base. And there you go. You got KP's sausage stew. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. In the meantime, please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. And if you want to learn what to do when it's 4 degrees, the coldest May day in 23 years, and you don't want to go outside and go to the shops, well, this is how you do it. Come join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my sausage stew, and I will catch you next time. Bye.